Hi, I just received my $93 and some cents mini printer. Mini 3D printer from Temu. Just going to get it going and see what we find inside. Just a note that you have to supply your own power supply. And those are the details. Get an instruction booklet with some additional instructions. Couple of USB drives with a screwdriver, some filament, and as you can see, it's well packed. This is the print head, and this looks to be the controller. This is the base on which the printing is done. As you can see, it's not a very big area. This holds the filament. Not sure what this is for. These are the drive X and Y axes, or Z axes. Let's put it together. This is what you put to install the axes. Alright, I'm getting this slowly. As you can see, even though it's resting on a flat piece of glass, the unit itself isn't very stable. So, not sure if that's going to affect the performance, but the first thing we've got to do is find a power supply. So we need a 12 volt supply with a current greater than 2 amps port and a type C port. Alternatively, a power adapter. Found this old laptop power supply, which is rated at 12 volts, 2.5 amps. Hopefully it's got the right connector on the end. No, doesn't have the right connector. Okay, I found a power adapter. 12 volts, 2 amps. Let's see. And it actually fits the tip, fits in the print head is working. As it's printing, the printer tends to move or slide across the glass base, so I guess you need to fix it better or mount it on top of a base which won't allow it to slide. But this print's nearly finished. It probably took about half an hour, and we'll soon see the finished product. the light stops blinking once the print's finished. To be gentle with this. It's not a very solid printer. You want to be gentle when you're removing the print from the base of the table. Pretty well stuck, which is good. I had another printer which wouldn't hold it that well. So here we have our little spaceship. Took a bit to get it off the support, but yeah. Not sure if that needs to be there, but I did move the printer while it was printing, so it could have caused the roughness. Anyway, I'm going to load this video up and see what you guys think. Thanks.